Yo, the High Chief Jameli retakes the stage. When I make these videos, it takes all day. Yes, indeed, back in business, part 3 of 4. Making assets for animation in Affinity Designer. So this is the best video of the series. We're going to use Adobe Character Animator to animate these bad boys. Yeah, okay. So before we get into the fun stuff, we need to make the puppets organized, which is not my strongest suit, but it has to be done. You need to nail a very specific file structure in Affinity or ultimately Photoshop in order for them to work in Adobe Character Animator. There's no rigging per se. Once you have the file structure correct, a character animator takes care of the rest. Here I am making the blink state. So as well as the different mouth shapes, we have to make blink states and laughing states. To make a blink state is very simple. You just color the eyes and tuck in a stroke and away you go. So this is video number 3 of 4, and it's taken me so long to edit these videos that the next series of videos is going to be a lot more loose and free form. It's called the goofing series, which is me just letting the camera roll, and it's designing all of these characters and animating them in After Effects, and it is good stuff. If you like goofing around, check out the goofing series. Yo, Larry with a Y. Now we're talking. So Eddie Grant, you cheeky bastard. Yeah, Eddie Grant with a Y. Eddie Grant. Here we go. We're singing. Okay, so back to creating the phonemes. Phonemes are the mouth shapes needed to make the puppet speak. Now, for a bird, you could get away with just making a sock puppet, you know, open, close. But I made all of the different required phonemes. And here are all of the shapes that I made at the end. And to be honest, it was overkill. Right, let's do it. So this is Adobe Character Animator 2002. And this app has gone through so many changes over the past few years. It really is amazing. Turn on the camera. Hey, there he is. Oh, you can see this green thing is already on my face. So this is the mapping that he uses to so for example, when I blink, there we go. When I talk, now turn the microphone on, there we go. So when I talk, hello. When I tilt around like this, and his hands, I made his hands draggable too, so you can drag his hand, let go, wee, it sticks back. Same with this little wing here. So, you know, hey, look at me, I'm talking. Hoo. Hello. Yeah, it can stretch like that. And you can control the stretchiness, the bounciness, the accuracy of the lip sync, etc. To get it from from Affinity into Adobe Character Animator can be a little bit messy. The file structure is hard to get right. You can sort of see it over here. Hey, it's me from the future. Just before I publish this, I wanted to double check that if you enable Save Over PSD in Affinity Designer, will it automatically update into Character Animator? And the answer is no. You need to open it in Photoshop because of dynamic link. It needs dynamic link. You can see that I can just press record here and he'll record. The puppet will record as I speak. Or you could put in an MP3 and go like this. Compute lip sync from scene audio. Yep. And that will make keyframes based on the audio clip we put in. Then you could say, turn off the camera for 1 minute. Turn off the camera, turn off the mic. And then we go compute head movement from speech. Okay.
Dr. Moku's kanji now available.
Not bad. Then we can jump in and start acting. Well, you know what I mean. So now we turn off the mic is off. So now we're doing a live take.
Dr. Moku's kanji now available.
Okay. So now when we play it back, the hand wobble that I did there.
Dr. Moku's kanji now available.
It's great. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh yeah, it's background. Yeah. Hey, how's it going, man? Oh, wait a minute. There's a bloke that I found on Fiverr, who was the what you call it, the Adobe Character Animator king. And when I was starting off, I used him to help me. And on a show reel, he always demos the puppets like this. Hey, how's it going? Look at me, I'm a duck. Let me cut some of that in right now.
Muleto. Goal. Hey, I can't cow. I am a cow. I don't know. I am the flower. Hey. Oh great. I T-Rex. Right. And hi, I am Amanda.
Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me, I'm a duck. Oh, quack quack, I'm moving my hands. But yeah, so the character design turned out good, and as I will show later in the video, the only drawback has been getting these puppets from Character Animator into Adobe and then to render them without having a nervous breakdown. The dynamic link was a bit of a stretch, but yeah. So that's them in Character Animator. So what I do then is get each scene, each piece of dialogue. So these are all scenes. Let me see. Here's a real scene.
So you're getting ready to lift that box, right? Well, before you touch anything, think, where am I going? Is there anything in the way? No? Grand. Fire away, so.
So that's a scene that that's a scene that I make in this app, Character Animator. Bring it to After Effects and then place him into a scene beside his little friend. And that's it. I'll tell you, if you want to get into Adobe Character Animator, the best way to do it is go home, see this here, pick the basic puppet, one of these or one of these, open it in Photoshop and just copy the layer structure, because it is a nightmare. You can see here, if you mess up any of this hierarchy, it will not work. So just open it in Photoshop. You have to use Photoshop. I hate to say it, but well, that's not it. That's it. Open up one of these. Okay. Come on, Chloe. Make a new scene. Oh, there she is. Hey, my name's Chloe. She's one of the most basic ones. But if you go back to home and pick this chap, you can see that we have keyframes or custom commands here. So, hey, wait a minute, where is he? Tall. I haven't got my glasses on. I'm squinted down here. So, if I press 1, he goes, hey, press 2. It's great, you know. Okay, let's keep it going. Cheers. Nah, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Clamnuts.com for all things Bobby. There's free assets and things there. Comics. Cooking recipes.